go through. This is break number 501. 2 boxes of 2017 Panini Donruss Elite. 2 autographs per box. 1 relic per box. 100 cards per box. Double those for the break total. What I prefer to do on these is get out both boxes. I'll separate them by a penny sleeve so we know when we're into box 2. Then I just like to get them all unwrapped. So if you need a drink, you need to go to the bathroom, it's going to take at least 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't like how tight those are. We're going to cut them. Not tight, but it didn't want to rip. So I don't want to force it. Lunchtime, huh? 7 p.m. at lunch. What time you get off work, Jeff? Jamie Garza makes the top 10 bangers, and he actually updated the list, and I don't think I have that on there. It's about 8 days old, the list. It's his opinion. He's in a lot of groups. Goes by what he's seeing that's selling, what's hot. He made a list, and I liked it, so I went ahead and do it. We're going to do some other breaks, yes. I'll post them right when we're done here. I think we're going to do a 2017 tribute. Maybe a double Pantheon break. Maybe National Treasures Collegiate. Maybe Black Gold Football. Some of those anyway. Alright, this is probably going to take more than I said. Cards are all backwards here from what I was expecting. It's different every day, man. That's crazy. The Black Gold's next. I'll probably post a football and a baseball. So do whatever one fills first. These are nice looking cards. I haven't seen them yet. I try to avoid looking at them until we break them. It's fun for me. The cat wants outside. Let's get to this so you can see my mess. Alright, this seems like it's taking a ridiculous amount of time. But once we get going, you gotta go quick. Go away, cat. Alright, that's one box out. We're going to go ahead and get the second box out. You need to go away. Excuse my cat. My wife's cat, I should say. Sometimes I don't claim her. Go away. Go on. Ever seen somebody throw a cat across the room live on camera? Well, you won't too. I like cats. But she's being annoying. No. I don't want to. Any baseball tonight? Yes. After this. What do you guys think? Whoever's in here bored watching me open packs. We want to see National Treasures Collegiate, Pantheon, which could be one more double back box break, or 2017 Tribute. I do have one Tier 1 and one Archives Signature Series over there. Those only have 2 and 1 hits apiece, or 3 and 1 hits. I don't like doing those by themselves. It'd be cheap by themselves, but hardly anybody would hit. Alright, almost there. Penny sleeves separating the boxes so we know which one's which, if it matters to any of you guys. Tier 1 and Archives with 4 hits. Be looking at 650 or something. Trying to do quick math in my head. Cats love cards, yeah. I have to put the lids on these boxes when I'm not around. And then she lays on the boxes. If you ever get a stray cat here, I do apologize. I keep her off the cards, but I mean, if you own a pet, you know, sometimes you can't prevent hair. We got a vote for Pantheon and a vote for Tier 1 and Archives. Anyone else weigh in? What do you guys want to see next? Or we could put Tier 1, Archives, and Tribute together. Tribute's running high right now. Almost at $300. So that one would be kind of an expensive break. I'm going to do the math in my head on that. It would be $15, $16, somewhere in that range. I'd have to look. All right, we're ready. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody. First product with all the rookies in their uniforms. I think I had 4 trades go through. They're scrolling on the bottom right. Now we can get through the goods. Blake Bortles, Jaguars. Matt Ryan, Falcons. Browns rookie Deshaun Kaiser, 230 out of 499. That's going to go in the top loader pile. Chargers, Joey Bosa. Bills, Sammy Watkins. Steelers, Le'Veon Bell. Colts, Andrew Luck. Browns, rookie Jabril Peppers, 60 out of 499. Browns starting off well. Jameis Winston, Buccaneers. Bills, Tyrod Taylor. Giants, Eli Manning. Broncos, Trevor Siemian. Home field advantage, Tom Brady for the Patriots. Nice insert is not numbered. Raiders, Amari Cooper. Packers, Jordy Nelson. Panthers, Kelvin Benjamin. Giants, Paul Perkins. Rookie Lions, Tease Tabor, 474 out of 499. And Corey Coleman for the Browns. Khalil Mack, Raiders. Robert Kelly. Redskins, Rams, Aaron Donald. And next stack. Kenneth Dixon for the Ravens is numbered 1 out of 149. Like elite status, aspirations. I don't know. It's parallel. It doesn't list what kind. Julio Jones, Falcons. Patriots, Deion Lewis. Jets, Matt Forte. Lions, Matthew Stafford. Odell Beckham Jr., Spellbound with the Giants. That insert is numbered 295 out of 299. Looking at that bottom spot for that Brady's. I know Elite usually has numbered inserts, or often does. Zach Ertz, Eagles. Texans, Lamar Miller. Cardinals, Carson Palmer. Bengals, Andy Dalton. And our first hit is Pin Pals, Juju Smith-Schuster. Okay, I was thinking Pin Pals would be dual players. So the Steelers grab the first hit. On-card autograph of Juju. That one going to go to Chris Saunders. And Saints, Drew Brees. Cowboys, Dez Bryant. Broncos, Paxton Lynch. 49ers, Carlos Hyde. Next hit, turn of the century. Steelers again. Juju Smith-Schuster twice in a box. 11 out of 99 on that one. That's kind of crazy. That one will also go to Chris Saunders. Nice break for you regardless of what happens now. That's crazy when they do that. Texans, Jadeveon Clowney. DeMarco Murray, Titans. Eagles, Alshon Jeffrey. Giants, Sterling Shepard. This one is Marcel Darius and Jonathan Allen, college ties. Alabama card. We're going to figure out who's in that random after. They don't have the pro teams listed. Then Marcel Darius. I feel like he's Bills. We're going to have to look it up. And we'll do a virtual coin flip when we're done. Cowboys, Ezekiel Elliott. Eagles, Jordan Matthews. Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Dolphins, Jay Ajayi. Falcons, Julio Jones, numbered 63 out of 89. Red parallel there. Kenneth Dixon for the Ravens. Julian Edelman, Patriots. Isaiah Crowell, Browns. Derek Carr, Raiders. And this one is a rookie of Derek Barnett with the Eagles, 142 out of 149. Nice parallel rookie there. Cowboys, Cole Beasley. Chiefs, Travis Kelce. Falcons, Devontae Freeman. Vikings, Stefan Diggs. And this one, a 1/1. Jonathan Allen for the Redskins. Nice hit there. Now we find out where Jonathan Allen is. He's with the Redskins. That card going to Chris Saunders, cleaning it up with this box. Man, what a box for you. SCA Justin, baseball season has pretty much just wound down. Getting to some breaking. I'm trying to get some product coming back in. So it'll be heavy break in the next few days. But we'll get that going here pretty soon. Cam Newton, Panthers. Saints, Michael Thomas. 49ers, Jeremy Curley. Jaguars, Allen Robinson. Matt Ryan, title waves with the Falcons. That one unnumbered. Titans, Derrick Henry. Jared Goff, Rams. Bengals, Jeremy Hill. J.J. Watt, Texans. Jordan Howard, dual relic is our third hit out of this box. This one for the Bears. That will go to Josh Wilkerson. And Jordan Howard is not numbered. Let me plug my phone in. It's dying. Alright, so that's the end of the box. This stack right here. We'll finish it out. And we have Thomas Rawls, Seahawks, Chiefs, Alex Smith, Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald, Vikings, Sam Bradford, and this one, Cam Chancellor for the Seahawks, man coverage insert. Bills, LaShawn McCoy, Lions, Marvin Jones, Steelers, Eli Rogers, Colts, T.Y. Hilton. This one, 22/25, Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers. Gold parallel, I'm guessing. Anyway, that card's going to go to Lance A. Tucker. Titans, Marcus Mariota. Chargers, Melvin Gordon. Giants, Odell Beckham Jr. Demaryius Thomas for the Broncos. Fired up, Ezekiel Elliott for the Cowboys. Nice insert there. That one is number 37/49. That one going to Jeff Berry. Eagles, Carson Wentz. Packers, Ty Montgomery. Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Bears, Jordan Howard. Fired up, Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. That one numbered 284/299. Rob Gronkowski, Patriots. Cowboys, Dak Prescott. Jets, Eric Decker. Redskins, Jordan Reed. Rookie elitist, Jake Butt. That one in his Michigan gear. I feel like he went to the Broncos. I'll be looking it up when I'm sorting anyway. Tyreek Hill for the Chiefs. Joe Flacco, Ravens. Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Bengals, AJ Green. This one is George. No, not George. It is George. George Kittle for the 49ers. Nice parallel numbered /99. Filler card. Patriots, Brandon Cooks, unnumbered. Patriots on the card. Saints in uniform. That goes to the Patriots. As per the way we've always done it. Doug Baldwin, Seahawks. I need to add that to the rules. We've always done it that way, and We can go back and look through past breaks. All right, this is box number 2. First card out is for the Redskins, not the Browns. Redskin on card, Terrell Pryor. Raiders, Amari Cooper. First hit right out of the gate, Rod Woodson for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Chris Saunders still in the show. Didn't get the autograph this time, not yet anyway. Unnumbered relic there. Pro Bowl standouts for the Steelers. It's got to be fun when a break goes your way like this one. Giants, Eli Manning. Broncos, Trevor Siemian. Falcons, Tevin Coleman. Patriots, Tom Brady. Rookie elitist Solomon Thomas out of Stanford. And I'm not going to guess where he went. I'll look it up. Rams, Todd Gurley. Panthers, Jonathan Stewart. Packers, Jordy Nelson. Bucks, Jameis Winston. 49ers, rookie numbered out of 99. Or not rookie. Carlos Hyde, just a parallel. Excuse me, I thought I saw a rookie symbol. Pittsburgh Steelers, Le'Veon Bell. Colts, Andrew Luck. Seahawks, Russell Wilson. Jaguars, Jalen Ramsey. This one, rookie parallel here. 121 out of 149. DeMarcus Walker for the Broncos. Texans, DeAndre Hopkins. Redskins, Kirk Cousins. Giants, Brandon Marshall. Lions, Golden Tate. Solomon Thomas, Niners. That's the team I had in my head, too. I guess I'm getting better. 99 out of 149, Jared Davis, a rookie for the Lions. Dolphins, Jarvis Landry. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Buccaneers, Mike Evans. Chargers, Phillip Rivers. This one is going to be another coin flip. Aqib Talib. Steve Smith, Broncos, Ravens. Mark Wilkerson, Justin Jenkins. That one is numbered 282 out of 299. Do that when we are done. Colts, Frank Gore. Cardinals, David Johnson. Raiders, Khalil Mack. Packers, Devontae Adams. This one for Texas A&M. College ties, Michael Bennett, Myles Garrett. I believe that's Seahawks Browns. Lance A. Tucker and Nick Tagg. And Myles Garrett, number 1 overall. And Michael Bennett. Why is he carrying a football, Michael Bennett, there? I thought he was a defensive end for the... Yeah, there it is. He is a pass rusher. That's the one with the Seahawks. Seahawks versus Browns in that one. Couldn't tell why he's running with the ball. C.J. Anderson for the Broncos. Steelers, Antonio Brown. Dion Lewis, Patriots. Browns, Corey Coleman. And this one, Corey Davis, 99 out of 149, rookie for the Titans. Nice one going to Crystal Boyansky. One of the top picked receivers. This one, Calvin Benjamin, Panthers, Giants, Paul Perkins, Chiefs, Alex Smith, Falcons, Julio Jones, Takaris McKinley, a rookie for the Falcons, numbered out of 499. Redskins, Robert Kelly, Rams, Aaron Donald, Lions, Marvin Jones, Seahawks, Thomas Rawls. Next hit is O.J. Howard for the Buccaneers, 13 out of 29. Nice hit. O.J. Howard, I think, was a first rounder. Or was he not? Either way, cool hit. Going to the Buccaneers. Mark Wilkerson getting that one. All right, for the Bengals, Jeremy Hill. Pantheon tonight, we can. I'm trying to figure out what people want. We got National Treasures, Collegiate, Pantheon, or a Tribute, or a mixer, including Tier 1 and Archive SIG series. J.J. Watt, Texans, Chargers, Joey Bosa. Bills, Sammy Watkins. Tidalways, Ray Lewis for the Ravens. That one unnumbered. Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Bengals, AJ Green. Texans, Jadeveon Clowney. Titans, DeMarco Murray. And this one a die cut. Evan Ingram for the Giants, 6 out of 24. Crazy looking die cut there. That one is going to go to Lance A. Tucker. Get that in a top loader so the die cut doesn't mess with us later. Jaguars, Blake Bortles. Falcons, Matt Ryan. Cowboys, Ezekiel Elliott. Eagles, Jordan Matthews. Rams, Aaron Donald, number 99 out of 99. That one blue. Paxton Lynch, Broncos. 49ers, Carlos Hyde. We want everything. Ravens, Kenneth Dixon. Well, we'll get one posted quick. Julian Edelman, Patriots. Samaje Perine for the Redskins is our final hit. Wow. Not wowing the hit. I don't really know Samaje. I'm wowing Chris Saunders because he's got the Redskins. That's 3 autographs and a 1 of 1 in this break. Amazing break for you, Chris. Cool hit. All right, finishing out box 2. We got Eagles, Alshon Jeffrey. Giants, Sterling Shepard. Cowboys, Cole Beasley. Chiefs, Travis Kelce. Home field advantage, Jerry Rice for the 49ers. Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Dolphins, Jay Ajayi. Panthers, Cam Newton. Saints, Michael Thomas. Odell Beckham Jr. Spellbound for the Giants. That one, 212 out of 299. Is that the card we had earlier? I feel like we got 2 of those now. Browns, Isaiah Crowell. Raiders, Derek Carr. Texans, Lamar Miller. Titans, Derrick Henry. And this one, Aaron Jones, Packers rookie, numbered out of 499. All right, last stack here of the break. Jeremy Curley, 49ers, Jaguars, Allen Robinson. Bills, LaShawn McCoy. Rams, Jared Goff. Saints, Drew Brees, 182 out of, it's 102 out of 149. Parallel. Falcons, Devontae Freeman. Vikings, Stefan Diggs. Bills, Tyrod Taylor. Saints, Drew Brees. Giants, a rookie, Evan Ingram, 277 out of 499. Cardinals, Carson Palmer. Bengals, Andy Dalton. Cowboys, Dez Bryant. Eagles, Zach Ertz. Some Mike Singletary man coverage insert for the Bears, unnumbered. Jets, Matt Forte, and for the Lions, Matthew Stafford finishes out the break. Alright, that was 200 cards, 2 boxes of 2017 Elite. We have 2 coin flips to do. And we're actually going to move this stack over here so we don't hit it with a coin. I'm not sure that I'll top load all these. The numbered hits I will top load. But every card gets penny sleeve. Penny sleeve in these so I can stack numbered die cut. Those are the hits. We'll go through those right after the coin flips. This first one is Michael Bennett Seahawks, Myles Garrett Browns. Left is heads. Who took my quarter? Somebody in the house take my quarter. You're kidding. I've had that quarter sitting there for weeks. And now it's missing. I still got my dice. Well, bear with me for 20 seconds. Going into the car. There are no quarters in the car, and I'm not flipping a penny. Alright, I'm going to go to random.org. We're going to have to do it that way. Sorry if that bothers anybody, but it is what it is. Seahawks and Browns. Going for this card right here. Card determined order. Flip 4 or more. We got 5 randomizing 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good luck. 5. After 5 flips. Browns are on top. Browns get this card right here. I'm going to have to yell at some family members if they're going to keep moving my stuff. Now I can't find my pen. I like this pen. I like my other pen. Alright, that first card is Tamu card. T-A-M-U. Goes to the Browns. Card number 2, need the penny sleeve. Broncos left, Ravens right, so Broncos will be on the top spot. Keep to lead. Steve Smith Sr. So this is Broncos, Ravens. Usually I just flip a coin for these. I apologize for the extra time added. Rolling for 4 or more. We got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good luck. 10. After 10 randoms, the Broncos are on the top and have won this face-to-face card. F2F Broncos. Last card, Alabama College Ties. Marcel Darius. Make sure he didn't. Oh, goodness, are you kidding me? Marcel Darius still with the Bills, I believe. Yeah, still with the Bills. Just wanted to check. And then Jonathan Allen, was Redskins. He got 101, right? Yeah, Jonathan Allen of Redskins. Let's see if we can beat Chris in this one. Chris, I'm going to root for the Bills here. Just because you took everything else. I don't think you'd mind losing this one. All right, gonna roll for. I never do that. That's wrong. I'm not rooting for anybody. 4 or more. 10. I am curious if you do get beat here, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not there yet, so I'm out of that. I was only on 6. Bills, Redskins. I didn't bring you over. Let's start that all over. 4 or more. I've got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 tries, he can be beat. The Bills go to Lance A. Tucker. All right, so that's the Bama college ties. Goes to the Bills. All right, nobody's watching anymore. It took forever with these coin flips. The hits. Samaje Perine, Redskins, turn of the century. O.J. Howard, number 25. Rod Woodson, Steelers, relic. Jordan Howard, dual relic. Bears. 1 of 1, Jonathan Allen, Redskins. Steelers, Juju Smith-Schuster, and another of Juju, Pen Pals. The turn of the century one, numbered to 99. All right, guys. That was 2 boxes of 2017 Donruss Elite. As slow as that filled, I've got 3 more. I'm wondering about doing some pick your team, maybe pick your division, or something interesting like that. We'll see. Not tonight. Maybe later. Take care. We'll have breaks up soon.